Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Everything. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unpin something from the taskbar. This tutorial is for Windows 11, but if you do want to try this on Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, it will be the same basic premise. So give it a go and it should work. So let's say you have something on the taskbar that is pinned and you want to remove it. All you're going to want to do is go down to the taskbar and find the icon that you want to remove. Let's say I wanted to remove the Microsoft Store. You're going to want to right click and you're going to see two options. Microsoft Store, this is going to open up the app, and unpin from taskbar. This is what's going to remove it from the taskbar. Just note guys that when you press this button, it will not uninstall it from your device. It will simply just remove the icon to open it from your taskbar. So if we click unpin from taskbar, we'll see it disappear, but we can still access the Microsoft Store if we type in Microsoft Store. So it is still on our computer. You can do this for any app that is in your taskbar. Just find the app, right click and click unpin from taskbar. Now if you did want to pin it again back to your taskbar, what you're going to want to do is go to the search icon down here, click and search for the thing you want to pin, right click and click pin to taskbar. And as you can see, it's back again. So guys, that is how you unpin and pin something to your taskbar. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching How to Everything.